tell the legion, stop watch my life. Pagan, stop stalk my wife, my kids. Don't need your foolish advice. Go tell the legion, stop watch my life. Pagan, stop stalk my wife.
Hey, Mr. Sir, about 1 year now, I'm not see you now. You move like serpent, I can't see you. How you deal with?
I mean, also, the Rasta say things different, you know.
And you keep a one stage show and big artists like Google them and Teflon them call your name.
My name?
You run away.
Come like you not see what go on. More time you have to deal with the money there in a Rasta.
Now I make you come back a property lane. The money there, sir.
Rasta no fair whole money argument, you know. When you done alright, poor. You have fret about what me there for.
Mr. Sir.
What?
How you do? Get the port.
House. Watch them lingo and them words there, you know. And Mr. Sir, my name. Man never get a D.
How you do?
Airport, me get airport.
Airport, style your style thing. Take me the year said the rum on the motor business bus. Like a Ian must own it. Have millions on the hill and make Babylon come find it. You should have roll like L.A. Lewis. You full of too much sense. And that me find out.
Them Rasta you know, hold no medicine. I really L.A. Lewis him a tell me have sense.
Yo, great. Any yes, Mr. Sir back in our place? Come like him want for surprise way.
Franco, ease up. Pass. A woman alone deal with surprises. Man so link with.
Yeah man, for real style. All this.
So Franco, what this? So I change alone you give me. For the beverage there.
You know say Shafi I say you worth your Guinness. So I just a change alone him a send.
I send change alone come give me. I style him a style man. How my brother play with himself still, you know. You need to change him DNA.
Great in a play, you know. Big things you go on with.
A poverty lane this?
Yeah man, a poverty lane this ain't a moment.
Franco, watch it there. Boy, big man, you look above the age, you know. Hear me I say.
What's the capital of Jamaica?
It's Kingston.
What's the downtown area of Jamaica? Kingston.
Downtown.
Okay. Downtown Kingston. If I said from the airport, how do you get to downtown Kingston? Tell me how you get there.
I tell you about man, you know, I can't stand them. Them can't take pressure. All one, Mr. Sir, when me I give it to him head just a swell so. Him can go and tough up himself and go on like him a Kevin Samuels. You know so we make pressure bust for him pipe. Him not and a lie still. Some girl are hype and I go on like them independent. Well, I come like Jamaica, me independent but me still want help. Not tell no lie. Who this a call me now? Hello?
Yes, Mrs. Miss. Mr. Sir, come back. You know I want to match up a small program for me.
Program?
Yeah.
My girl, one thing me learn today, no?
And I wouldn't know.
Say my man, a high value man. Make sure you know want him, you know?
So where you come with that for?
My girl, come like you not educate yourself. 80% I don't want to look at 10% of the man them. Hope you don't want to look at one of them have.
Mrs. Miss, I know that I call you fine now.
So my girl, your mouth sounds just shaky. Make sure you ain't there on him, you know? Me I got over a man and over a woman.
So Mrs. Miss, you behave so strong.
Yes, me start lift up the iron them round her back. By the way, better you come off on my phone too.
That you say?
You think me not pre you? Every day you come call me and ask me Mr. Serena come back yet. All a white one though him have up and down on the road like a pet. From him keep stage show him don't come at the yard. Me want know what kind of donation him out the road around. Make me call him.
Courtney, lock up the window. I got start record. Now hear the stammer dog voice. Can't make them know say a poverty lane I come from.
Lock up the window, no man. PIA, welcome to me and watch them. If you no think KC now go raise again before December, me have some unicorn for sell you know. But I know that will come for talk about today. Come for talk about a place called Poverty Lane. Try make it heights, not ambitious lane. that controlled by a 87 by the name of Mr. Sir. Well, him operate a thing called Roma Motor. I tell you about them 87 year, them getting smart. PIA, go and look up the meaning for the word motor. Well, Mr. Sir get help from a lot of him friends. You have Great, you have Yellow Teeth, you have Franco, Beam, the driver, and a whole lot more. On Mr. Sir top prizes in diesels. Mrs. Smith Santana, well, the Bosco, international and local. Tell you about these 87. But tell me now, if you live on big pretty hill, in a board house, with millions inside it, and not even a big bull to guard it, surrounded by zinc fence.
Robot voice I call my name. You're my boss. Put 2 and 2 together, I come like a Mr. Sir, I talk about. One robot voice know everything what I go on boy, you know. From what they may tell the big of them, you know. Them boy they from run a poverty lane and a style. If I run a no ambitious lane, them boy they come from them, they know how to act when them rich. Look how we poor and we are deal with it. Pay my cakes and crown around here. I warm to them. And I make sure the girl them out wet up with pure ensure. Right now, it coming like a Mr. Sir pocket me I forgot chop out. Up I try make it heights I sit down upon bare millions and now bust the youths them. Make one of them juvenile give him a call too, you know. Yo, come here.
Hey Bim, you know I've been keeping up with Jamaica and I'm finding out the drivers, they know a lot of information.
Donna, buy my license, you know. Not give me information to fill out and give out.
What? You can do that around here?
Well, that's a deep information and where you want to ask me.
Well, you think Mr. Sir loves me?
Well, Donna, I want to stick in, mama.
What do you mean?
Alright, then him bring you got Chilani.
Yes, he did.
Him show you a spot?
No, he didn't.
Yeah, well, let's see if, man, the boss not planted you yet, you know?
Well, you know, with Mrs. Miss and the whole situation, I just want to play my cards right.
What a mix-up, boy! When I realize I can't hear everything when I say, man problem not sell here, so you girl, you sound like a foreigner. Don't turn no yammed over here.
Oh, the one thing I make turn a pretty face and stush voice trick him, you know. Make him a chat the things them. Can't go bother with the triangle thing when I touch up a try make it tight. But when you check it, but I deal with triangle cause man no square. Step up big and bold later as Mrs. Smith start. Hope her mouth just broke down. A long time in a year from she. Pretty, war gone.
I'm not going with nothing. I'm going to see her babysitting.
But what this? You call my phone in a pretty. I know you're stressing up, cause no family want not there about the place. I be a goat and can't forget the baby. But from I put you up on a small suspension, it come like in your feelings. You become a problem, you know.
Eh? What kind of problem?
No fret yourself, mama, so solve it.
You're going to need a very good tutor.
Oh, I'm here pretty. I just roll up on you right now and make you give up all rights.
Oh, you really actually look like you have nothing thing to do. I'm not gonna give up all rights, okay?
One thing me I tell you in a pretty. You see that pocket around the way you have? This way a next man. And me a the done. Me a forward.
Okay.
Well-known music producer has been charged with
Jail cell full. A data go on board the place. Artists get charged. Producer get charged. I wonder what kind of charge of them I use. How old is?
Hello, this is a prepaid collect call from
Yellow Teeth.
an inmate.
Yellow Teeth feels like high school days.
You live right. Keep it up, get the youth. You know some people not real. Yeah, we a live right, but some people not real. Still I do my best, cause the pain can't heal. Some pain me feel, me know everyone feel.